In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Structured Web Editor. The Structured Web Editor works exactly like Microsoft Word. So if you're familiar with Microsoft Word, you will be familiar with the editor and you should have no issues making changes in it. Now you'll find the editor throughout the Structured Web platform. Whether you're making a change on your website or you're building a marketing campaign, you will need to be familiar with the editor. Again, it works similar to Word, so if you're familiar with Word, you should have no issues. The editor is actually pretty straightforward. So to begin, you'll see a row of icons, actually 2 or 3 rows of icons at the top. And if you just mouse over each icon, it simply tells you what it does. So if you're looking to increase the font of text or changing the font face or changing the color, I mean, it should be self-explanatory at this point. This is to change the font name. This is to change the size. This is to change the color. Here's your bold, italicize, and underline options. And then obviously to the right, you can see that this is your justify left, this is your justify center, and this is your justify right. Those are basically the basic options of the editor. Again, if you're familiar with really any word processing tool, you should be able to use the basic functions of the editor. Now getting to the more advanced functions such as inserting an image, inserting a link to your website, and creating a table, same process. It is fairly straightforward. It can be a little confusing as to where you go to do that. But again, we put descriptions on the buttons to make it easier for you. So to insert an image, you'll go to the image library option. That'll load your image library. If you've uploaded any previous other logos or images, they'll be displayed here, and you just click on the name and that inserts the image. If the image is not in your library, same process. You'll go to Image Library, but this time you'll actually click Upload Image, and then you'll find the image on your computer. To insert a link, same process. You'll either click on the picture that you want to create a link to, or you'll highlight the text that you want to create the link on. You will click the Website Links option. This will load a little pop-up window, and on the right hand side we will display every single page that you have on your website. You'll simply just choose Insert Link to the right of the page, and that creates a link to that page. Now you can link to a form, a catalog, or a document as well. If you see in the left hand column, there is a Forms option, there's a Product Catalog option, and there's a Document Library option. So for example, if you want to link to a specific product in your catalog, you'll choose the Product Catalog option, and then you'll choose Insert Link next to the name of the catalog you want to create a link to. Same process for Forms and same process for Document Library. When you click Insert Link, it automatically creates the hyperlink for you, and then it's created a link, so when you go to your website and click on it, it will go to that specific page. To create a table, all you need to do is put your cursor where you'd like your table. So for this example, I will put it below the current table I have. And then you'll see an icon here. Again, if you mouse over it, it'll say Table. You click on it. It'll simply ask you how many rows or how many columns you like. So for this example, I have 1 row, 2 columns. And then I'll set mine to be 200 pixels wide. It'll ask you if you'd like a border, or if you don't like a border, you can set it to 0. And you choose OK, and that'll insert your table. I could put text in the left column and maybe an image in the right column, but as you can see, inserting a table is just a matter of clicking the little grid icon. Now if you have any questions or you need help using the editor, or you can't find a specific option, you can always call customer support at 888-584-6480. Anyone in the customer service department can help you with the editor. Thank you.